Jopuonj ma junia skul mawuok e kaunti ma Kilifi owacho ni gibiro dok bago ng'anyo ka dwachgi mar ndikogi e yo mongirore ok oketie tim. Gilero ni gisebedo ka gidhi nyime kod tich kod jowetegi ma bende osendiki e yo mongirore ka giywak ne duol ma TSC kuom chunogi keto kokgi e orak ma kinde ka kinde gichuok mondo mi gidhi nyime gi tich.
We have a shortage of teachers in junior secondary. And these teachers have a lot of work that they are doing. But the amount of money they are given, they are being paid 17,000. This amount of money is not even enough to pay for their houses.
A contract that was signed by these teachers with the Teacher Service Commission is a one-year contract. And we want to call upon the Teacher Service Commission to take this matter seriously and confirm these teachers so that they can get employment on permanent and pensionable terms. This one we demand.
Kazi pale kwa affordable housing, tufanye mjengo kwa sababu hii pesa tunapewa haitoshi.
Most of us, we are surviving. The 17K that's given to us is not enough to manage our families. That one is very less. If we could be debating, we're just saying that the MPs are going with OMA with about 25,000 shillings for airtime. Right now, unanipea 17K mimi. I'm unable to marry and I'm unable to manage my family.